Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write Newton's law of gravitation equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to write Newton's law of gravitation equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find the Newton law gravitation equation. Here the Newton's law of gravitation equation. Now we want to insert this equation. Click the equation. Now we can see we insert the Newton law gravitation. Now we want to edit the equation. Click the equation box, then edit the equation. Otherwise you can add extra equation. Click the equation box, go to the design menu. You can add fraction, script, radical or integral or brackets, function, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.